Alright, let's do a end of day review for today. And today is August 8, 2023, and it's a Tuesday. It's the second day of the trading week. And on Thursday we have the CPI release, data release. So let's see any anticipate on the CPI number right here, right? I think we did check earlier. So prior month is 0.2. This month the consensus is also 0.2, and consensus range from 0.1 to 0.4 month over month. And year over year 3.0, 3.3. So there's some increase right there, you see, increase year over year. So 3%. Tomorrow, so if not tomorrow, I mean Thursday, if it go up, then that will be a sell up right there. That could be, we don't know. I don't know how the market gonna react, but it can give up some signal right here, right? And look at the 1 hour, no, I mean 1 minute time frame we're looking at right now. What do you see from here? Do you see it's the run up right here? Let's say that we from 9:30 open right to here 11, so it's a 1 hour and a half run, and it dropped about $2, I mean about $3, $2.8 right there. It's dropped right there, and then it come back all the way up, you know, and then it come back from there all the way up here on this, you know, so-called resisting level, but actually on high time frame, 4 hour time frame, it's a fair value gap right there. So exit, so the price go from liquidity to liquidity, right? Liquidity pool to non-liquidity pool. So the fair value gap right here is called internal liquidity, and the liquidity around here I think is external liquidity. But you see, I want to see how big the move. So this huge move today, if we can catch it, there will be a big win right there. So it's $3.91. Yeah, the bad entry first. The bad entry first for long is right here. You know, this is the order block. We'll look into it later. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. Here's our 4 hour time frame. So yesterday when we review, we come up with this, you know, anticipation or scenario. So today we'll so we anticipate go up, and on Thursday it coming down, and then it come down on Friday, something like that, right? That is our anticipate right here. However, you look right here, the reason we believe that this come down and then pull back, and then we take this seller liquidity. So in that term, we quite accurate right here. It take out the buy seller liquidity right here, but the time is the one that we off. We thought they're gonna be, you know, continue to go up, and it will show up on Friday. That's the level is correct, but the time is not correct. surprising today. It take out a buy sell liquidity from this guy today. I mean, just today in the AM section right here. It take out. You see that? So very surprising. So let's. So right here you see that's the buy side liquidity. I mean sell side liquidity was taken right there. We anticipate that it will be taken by Friday, but look like that it's gonna set up for a reversal right here, maybe, or maybe another another test here, and then boom, go down real hard. Whenever you have a double top, it goes down real hard. But look at here, interesting that we point to this fair value gap right here, right, and this fair value gap right here also, and it's going to that. And look at this. Okay, hold on. The reason why we hold this, we want to see this level because it's the Monday opening candle right there at 9 o'clock for 4-hour time frame right there, and we want to see how Tuesday react to that level. So far Tuesday, when we saw the first candle for deep red in here, we thought that it's gonna come in, continue to come down. How they come back and retest the Monday open right there. Monday open right there. If you want to see Monday open right there. Yep. So very interesting to see how it's play out tomorrow. Okay. And also we see the fair value gap right there, so it's sick to feel that fair value gap, and it looked like it filled it. You see? Yeah. Right here, I want to show right here is the fair value gap. This candle, between this candle and this candle, right? You see the fair value gap right? That makes them look different with a little bit of a change of color. Come on, let's hear this color. Yeah, a little bit too dark. Like light a little bit. Yeah, much better. And also let's make this transparent a little bit. Yeah, it looks a little better that now. So that is our 4-hour time frame. So this scenario is no longer play out. So let's see how it's gonna play out. This level, we see that we draw it also. It's on 1-hour time frame. We'll come back later, but let's I think they're gonna retest this. This bearish order block, it may retest tomorrow and then come down to this order block. Right, we have 2 more days. Right, we have Wednesday and Thursday is at 8:30 when the CPI data were released. So let's see. Your creative mind, you think what scenario is gonna move, right? Okay, let's say it move so every day, you know, the market provides more information, and when we have more information, we make a better decision, right? We hope so. Not always, but that's common sense, right? The more information you have, the better decision you're gonna make. You're gonna make an informed decision. So far, the market show us that on Monday, and now on Tuesday, it reversed. Oh, I think it needs to go down. All right. So I think it may go retest this one. Okay, let's say that it can retest this one, right? Pull back right here. And then it go up there. To break this order block, I have to go up there. So give me a second to thinking here now. Yeah, retest. Let's go with the bullish scenario, right? Yep, oh, up here, right? It grabs sells liquidity, and then it will buy liquidity. Right, we go down. You go over here, and that's so maybe pull back right here. and then boom, we'll retest this order block. That's the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is that's the bullish scenario right there. I mean bearish no. What is the okay? The bullish signal that it goes to this order block is it what is pullback, and then it may go from here. Yeah, the bullish scenario is right here. Let's say right here, the retest, and then you go up to new week opening up. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, voice go here. Let's say we wrap, go back, and continue to go up, go back, and then we continue to go up to the level. Oh, let's see. Now look at the 1 minute. No, I want to go to the let the 1 hour time frame. Where is my 1 hour time frame? Where is my 1 hour time frame, my friend? See it? No, my just switch to 1 hour time frame. Workspace. Yeah, basically right here on 1 hour we don't see any setup. We just know that's the buy side of sell side liquidity taken, so we can engage in a long, right? Engage long at the perfect for a trader. You know, this morning when it come down, we try to identify what is the liquidity rate out there for 4 hour time frame. But no, you see it does this, but look at the 4 time frame. You see that it not touch this fair value gap yet. You see this fair value gap right here, and it not touch yet, but it did touch this open right here. It's critical candle right here. It just open right there. 445.78. Yeah, 445.15. It not touch yet. The low of this is 445.27. That's the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's review some of the practice tests we take earlier. Let's see what you know markets, what lesson the market provides us today. Right, I think the very first trade we take is a long trade. Right. I think it's the long trade. We learned a couple of lessons today. Very good lesson right there. So we take a trade at 9:35. You know why we take this trade? Because we saw this is a we saw it's a bearish breaker right here, followed up retest. So we saw this as a retest, but when we look back, we saw that this is not really a good and high, you know, properly reliable. It's not really a reliable breaker at all, bullish breaker, because it needs to be a really good swing high, but it's not. So that's the lesson we learned for today right there, right here on the 5 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. A little 5 minute time frame right there. So we assume that this is a bullish breaker for it right here, followed up retest, but it's not really a reliable for this breaker. The bullish breaker is more reliable for first right there than the other one. But anyway, both of them will violate right there. But you can see right here, you can see the pattern right here. It's called rising wedge. So, but anyway, we will learn a lesson that we engage in the long setup is too early. we need to let the buy seller, let it clear more buy seller liquidity, because look on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, clearly they have a lot of sell seller liquidity here. Let's be clear. So that's the critical lesson we learned right there on the first trade. And then oh yeah, it's on this trade, we take this trade. It's good practice for us because we know that it only have auto block. I think we take some trade that only does not have a setup, but we jump in. But this setup is good, right? If we can identify in the real time data, we didn't see the setup. When I look back, I see that. Do we see that? Yeah, very good setup right here, right? Auto block, fell leg up, the retest is short setup 940 and target sell liquidity, which is going down very huge right there. 1 minute, right? Yeah, which is right here. Yeah, let's see how much we reach for that trade. Right here, we just put right here. So let's say we put right here. Then we reach about 30 cents. And look at how much we gain. $2.26. Wow, we reach only 30 cents. So it's almost, 1 to 7 or 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio right there. See that? The setup. Go back to screenshot. Here, I wish we can see that. And also at that moment we see there's an auto block right here also, right? And then after it break through this auto block, this will become a bearish breaker. We can take another entry right here on the retest, on a breaker right there. Right here, retest, another retest right there, and boom, another leg down all the way here. So that's the second trade we practice trade that we take. Let's see what else. Yeah, we need to take a trade right here, right? We believe that is a breaker right here, bullish breaker. Yes, I see it now, bullish breaker. But however, it's not really a bullish breaker at all. It has to be a real swing high, which is this one is so better. It's kind of a it's kind of short-term swing high. It's not reliable. So so lesson we learned, it's not reliable at all. We had to wait a little bit more because lots of sales are liquidity out here. You need to go and take them before it reverse. So that's the lesson we learned this early. 10:07 is still too early, right? That the second practice day we test and we have a lesson right there. And right here really we want to go right here. Right, here's another lesson one. This one have no setup at all, just auto block, and we know the sell side liquidity were taken, so we're so very eager to get in. But we look at the 4-hour time frame, we still have a lot of liquidity, buy sell liquidity. That's what I say. We got stop out right there at 10:30. It's still early. 10:13, we got stop out right here. Right, going we stop out. It will not stop it out until it go down here. If we see that auto block failure gap retest right here at 11:11, or you can even go right here. It's the best entry of 11:55, and that is when we look at here 11:55. Look at this, the magic is right here. You look at the 5-minute time frame, you see right there 11:55. That's the best setup for us. And you see right here it's auto block, right? Fail the gap and then retest them. Yeah, that's the beautiful right there. The magic right there. That tickering shot of this one is the best trade of the day today for us. If we can see in real time, okay. So we have a setup. And it clear a lot of buy sell liquidity right there, right? So the setup right here gonna be auto block, fair value gap. Remember, when you do auto block, is a trend reversal or counter trend. So we have to extremely patient, wait for a lot of sell side liquidity clear from high time frame, or buy side liquidity, clear, so we can engage. Normally we don't want to engage before 10:30 if we see the sell side, the down move haven't finished yet. Basically the sell side liquidity haven't cleared yet. So retest, maybe a long setup for us, right? And we have the buy sell liquidity, sell side we were taken. That's our rule of engagement right there. Right here, after I make the low right there. That's the sell side liquidity was taken right there. And anti-time is 11:55. Right before the run time right there. And our targets gonna be the open at 9:30. That's a perfect trade for us. You see right there. $9:30 open right there. That's the line. It's a very good trade for us. And we have another confluence. So we have to look at both 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame to give us a good sequence one, give our setup. So here's what we put on our journal right there. So for lot trade and I think we reached only reached about 30 cents, and we gain $2.26. But look at, we have another confluence right here. Let's look at this confluence. If you look at subtle, we know. So when we do, order block, which is a trend, counter trend trade, we have to look carefully, right? Because you don't want to catch so-called a falling knife. Then we have to look at the smart money technique diversion. You see that at the 11:45, you see the diversion. For the SPY, it might a higher low, but for the QQQ, it make a lower low. That means it's good to go long on the SPY right there first. That means we'll stop going down. And that's exactly what happened. 45 right here. It stop going down, and then it make another retest into the hour block. Then you can go in and boom, get your profits right there. All right, I think that's it for today, and talk to you later. Talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.